Hello friends, Michael with you today, and this is PocketOption platform. And the description below this video you'll find a link to my Telegram private channel where you can ask me any question you may have. So you will also find a link to my private Telegram channel, and I really share good and great, I would say, trading signals. You text me today on Telegram, you will receive a link to register on PocketOption platform, which will give you a 50% of your deposit as a bonus for free. A descending channel, which we hit 3 times, but we stayed in its middle. Now the price has to approach it again. So I made an up trade for $200. Let's discuss those today. What kind of technical analysis is this? This is a way to predict the price movement, and this is just wonderful. Absolutely at any price, and even more of any chart in the world. So with this method, you can even successfully predict the temperature of the air and make weather forecasts yourself. And no, it's not a joke. But the main application of technical analysis is, of course, the markets, only them. It was for this technology was invented to analyze the markets for several hundred years now. Thanks to it, millions of traders have been making a smart look on trading to figure out where the price will go. Wait a second, here is our $370. Here the price formed a triangle after the fall, a great point to enter the trend reversal. I make a trade for $200. Where did I stop? Yes, technical analysis. So the first obstacle is the word technical, which often scares away. The name is very unfortunate. It's like when you look under the hood of a car, isn't it less of a technical analysis of a certain mechanism? But with technical analysis of market rates, forex, on the stock market, everything is different. So here the analyst works with the price movement according to the shadow and learns to find all the necessary patterns of this process. Technical analysis is when a pen is poked at the screen. A joke. So, but the profit from the trade is no joke. Plus $280. So there was a breakdown of the horizontal support, and now I will go for a rebound since the pullback has not yet got. But I make trade for $200, so let's continue. Why does technical analysis work? How are the dashes on the chart able to determine the price movement? All that is on the chart is just the balance of supply and demand. That's easy. When demand greatly exceeds supply, or vice versa, a trend begins. In other words, in technical analysis, we're doing nothing more than studying the movement of the market. It's emotional state, optimism and pessimism of traders. So, technical can be safely replaced with behavioral, graphic, or even emotional. And the one who came up with the technical to scare newcomers, it's necessary to spank. Technical analysis is very multifaceted. These are charts and models, technical indicators and oscillators, and combination of various techniques and methods. This is volume data, but in all its diversity, there are only 3 key postulates. First, all the factors affecting the price are already included in the chart. Second, the price always moves in trends. And the third one, history repeats itself. So remember this, okay? And do you remember the trade already gave us plus $384? So we got into sideways movements and jump from one level to another. So I will a downtrend for $200 as we are well pressed to the lower level. Let's talk a little about the listed items. Everything is included in the price. In the price and its movement, which we see in the chart, all the factors that influence it have already been incorporated. So, in fact, the price contains the ratio of supply and demand of our certain asset. If it's stock or a currency pair, and this would seem to be enough for a technical analyst. Nevertheless, it's necessary to strive for versatility, and it's important to combine methods. It's not necessary to go into the depths of fundamental analysis, but it's necessary to know what important news is coming out today. So, but now the main use is that the trade gave me plus $364. So after a rapid growth, we get under the horizontal resistance and a correction has just occurred. And now I will make a trade for $200 on this movement. About the other items, the price is trending. The second important aspect, the price, one way or another, always moves in a certain obvious direction, a trend. It is on trends that money is made. That's why all these proverbs in books like Trend is Your Friend. The vast majority of strategies are based on trends. At the same time, each trend consists of small micro trends, but we will talk about this in more detail later. History repeats itself. What happened earlier will happen again. That is why candlestick patterns and reversal patterns work. The price has a repetitive nature. Since the market participants have a similar psychology and repeat their actions over and over again, that's why many models that we developed in the old days work. But my trade is completely new and now it has already closed and gave $374. For today, I will finish with a balance of $6,916. So I thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to like, write any comment, and subscribe to my channel. There is always only useful information and the most interesting analysis. So that's all for today and I wish you only successful trading sessions. See you in the next videos and don't forget that you can pick up a nice bonus by texting me on Telegram and get your great link to PocketOption platform. So guys, bye for now and have a good time.